Hello everyone. Today we're going to be studying the main token contract for Zilon Tech Global Limited. But now, what exactly do we need to do to achieve this? Our very first step will be to go to google.com, and then within the search bar, we'll open up bscscan.com. After opening bscscan.com, as soon as its homepage appears, you will see a search bar. In that search bar, you need to enter this 75D contract and then search for it. Now before you, Zilon Tech Global's ZTC token contract, which is built on BEP20, will open up. First of all, you need to click on the BEP20 ZTC token right here. After you have clicked, you will then be able to view its total supply, the total number of holders, and all the total transactions. When you check its holders, you will find that there are a total of 11 holders. The most significant characteristic among these holders is that not a single one of them is an individual wallet address. Every single one of them is a contract address. What this implies is that the entirety of the token being minted is going straight into the contract. It's not being deposited into any individual's personal wallet. Every single aspect is operating on a contract-based system. There are a total of 11 contracts here. To study each contract, you can copy it. We open the first contract, the 06381. When you click on this contract, you will see that it is a contract named Community Growth Wallet. According to Zilon Tech Global's strategy, nodes can be bought within it. The source code for this has been verified. Within the code, you can see the auto-allocation of joining packages. A $2,500 node comes with 3,000 gift tokens. Likewise, a $500 node gives 500 tokens. You can check every transaction in the blockchain's events. Let's now turn our attention to the second contract, which is 9BDE. This contract, in particular, focuses on ecosystem development. The system has set up token allocation here to develop its ecosystem. Next, let's look at the fourth contract, 8R1YV1. This is the Foundation Architect wallet. It includes a provision for founders, 20,000 tokens for a $10,000 node and 8,000 tokens for a $5,000 node. The fifth contract, number 8907, is designated as the Creator-Secure wallet. Within this wallet, the creator possesses approximately 1 million tokens. The vesting period for these tokens spans 60 months. This implies that the creator is prevented from dumping the entire system by selling all tokens simultaneously. Consequently, only a mere 1.67% of the total tokens will be released on a monthly basis. Regarding the sixth contract, C270, this is the Performance Ignited wallet, specifically designed to provide performance-based rewards. Now, let's move on to the third contract, 62AB, which is the Genesis Access sale. This particular sale accounts for 3% of the total supply. It is completely open to the public. Its initial price point was set at 0.00 cents. Furthermore, it includes a 60-month vesting period. The token you purchase from here does not go directly into your personal wallet, but rather, your address is whitelisted, and it gets staked in the seventh contract, 5T350. This will then be gradually released once it's available on the DEX. The eighth contract, 100FC, is the most crucial. This is the Zilon Minter contract. Here, a specific mechanism is at work, involving 50% burning and 50% for the ecosystem. Through this process, you will clearly see transactions for both minting and burning tokens. Only the public has the authority to mint and burn these tokens. When an ID is staked, the associated funds do not go to any single individual, but are deposited directly into the smart contract. From there, 15% are pre-minted, and the remaining 85% of tokens are allocated from a null address through public minting. Looking at the burning mechanism, when people claim their rewards, tokens of that value are sent to a null address and are then burned. According to the system's code, for every 20,000 tokens that are burned, the price automatically increases by 2 cents. Today, its rate has already climbed to 24 cents, and it's quickly approaching 26 cents. The 9th contract is for the treasury, the 10th is for airdrop and donation, and the 11th is for the DEX launch pool. In total, contracts from 1 to 7 represent the 15% pre-mint of 7.5 million tokens, while contracts from 8 to 11 manage the 85% post-mint supply that the public will mint. This entire system is completely transparent and secure. Here, funds do not go into any personal wallet. They are directly locked within the smart contract itself. I have made every effort to explain these concepts to you all in the clearest possible way. For any additional information or further details, please reach out to the individual who extended this invitation to you. Thank you. Thank you very much.